Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make something truly delightful, lemon curd cookies. These cookies are the perfect combination of sweet and tangy with a luscious lemon curd filling that's sure to brighten your day. Let's get started. In a large bowl, mix all-purpose flour with some cold butter. Mix the cold butter nicely into the flour. Once it is well combined, add some condensed milk, mix it and make it into a dough. Now take small portions, make it into a ball, roll it in some powdered sugar and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now using a teaspoon, make an indentation in the center of each cookie. Now it's time to fill them with our delicious lemon curd. Use a spoon or a piping bag to fill each indentation generously. You can also bake these cookies and then fill the lemon curd, but then the lemon curds will be sticky and you won't be able to store it. Now bake these cookies at 180-degree preheated oven for around 12 to 15 minutes. When you're baking these cookies with the lemon curd will get hardened and you can easily store them in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes.